In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook ads using Canva. This quick and simple guide will show you exactly how to design an eye-catching ad even if you're a complete beginner. Canva is one of the easiest tools for creating professional graphics. So let's jump right in and start designing. First, open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free. Once you're inside, the next step is to choose a Facebook ad template or create your design from scratch. The recommended size for a Facebook ad is 1200 by 628 pixels, and Canva already provides many templates with this exact sizing. You can browse through these templates to find a style that matches your brand, or you can set a custom size and build your ad layout manually. For beginners, starting with a template can make the entire process quicker and easier. Now it's time to customize your ad. Click on any placeholder images and replace them with your own photos, or choose from Canva's library of free and premium images. Add your brand colors to create consistency across your marketing. Upload your logo and choose fonts that match your brand identity. When adding text, keep it short, engaging, and easy to read at a glance. Facebook users scroll quickly, so a clear message and strong visual design are essential. This is also the perfect place to add a strong call to action, such as learn more, shop now, or sign up. After your design looks the way you want, download your finished ad. Canva lets you export in several formats, but PNG or JPG works best for Facebook ads. Choose your preferred format, click download, and save it to your device. Next, head over to Facebook Ads Manager. This is where you'll set up your entire advertising campaign. Start by creating a new campaign and choosing your objective, whether you're aiming for brand awareness, more traffic, or increase conversions. Selecting the right objective will help Facebook optimize your ad performance. After that, you'll create your ad set where you define your target audience. Think about their age, interests, location, and behaviors to ensure your ad reaches the right people. Set your daily or lifetime budget and choose your placements, which determine where your ad will appear across Facebook's platforms. Now move to the ad creation stage. Upload the ad image you designed in Canva and place it into the media section of your ad. Once your visual is added, write the accompanying text that will appear above your image. Keep it persuasive, brief, and aligned with the problem your audience cares about. Add a call to action that encourages users to take the next step, whether that's visiting your website, claiming an offer, or signing up for something valuable. When everything is ready, take a moment to review your campaign details. Double check your audience, budget, placements, and visuals to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click publish and your ad will start running based on your chosen schedule. And that's it. You've successfully created a Facebook ad using Canva. With just a few simple steps, you can design professional quality ads that stand out, attract attention, and support your business goals. If you'd like me to expand the script, make it longer, shorten it, or rewrite it in a different style, just let me know.